Manufacturing Definition Creator is a browser-based role in the 3DExperience Works portfolio that combines model-based and drawing-based capabilities in one integrated solution. Clearly communicate design specifications with 3D product manufacturing information, or PMI, by leveraging capabilities including capture various orthogonal and custom views at desired perspective and zoom levels, define dimensions, tolerances, datum symbols, geometric dimensioning and tolerances, balloons and more. Organize annotations into specific views to communicate design intent. Quickly find annotations organized under each view. Easily produce an accurate 2D representation from your existing 3D definitions in just a few clicks. 2D drawing capabilities include creating 2D layouts with no extra effort using existing captured views, annotations, dimensions and tolerances. Access sheet format, standard notes and tables for drawing creation. 3D definitions and 2D drawings export commonly used files such as 3D XML with 3D PMI, 2D PDF of 3D views and 2D PDF drawings. Collaborate, review and mark up 3D PMI in 3D Play, a lightweight viewer on the 3DExperience platform. The combination of 2D and 3D definition capabilities deliver next generation flexibility, empowering you to choose the best output for the job and meet stakeholder needs. If you would like to find out more, contact SolidX today.